Hey everybody, I want to give you an in-depth close-up of my busa. This is a 2013 second-gen Haysbusa. Now everything I'm going to show you guys, I did all the scroll work here, ball cutting myself. When I got this, it came with a seat. It didn't come with a hump. I got the hump. I put the hump in myself. I had a cutout for the grab bar. I like to have the grab bar on it because I use it. But when you buy these humps, they don't come with these cutouts. You got to cut that out yourself to make it, if you keep your grab bar. We got the tidy tail on. I got a LED light in the back. I put a set of M4s on it. These are working out pretty good. They have a nice sound. We ball cutted our passenger foot pegs. You see, I ball cutted my wheels. I ball cutted my caliper. I ball cutted the swing arm and engraved it. That's actually, I think you guys saw the video, that's actually underneath, engraved, and on the inside. Got our spools that are also ball cutted. My drivers, or my riders front sets are ball cutted. Adjustable cycle power, it's levered, ball cutted. Frames engraved and ball cutted. My clutch cover is engraved and ball cutted. Sliders, ball cutted. Handlebar ends, ball cutted. I put the factory levers back on because I believe it or not, these are hard to beat. I ball cutted those. I ball cutted my center console and engraved it. Now back over to this side here. Let me see if I can get you guys a better view of my swing arm. So you could see the kanji signal, the kanji insignia I engraved into the back of the wheel splash area. A little hard to see. Did this side of the frame. Now, since I have on a high performance Barnett clutch with the heavy duty springs, you can't see the bracket for the slave cylinder, but it's in there. The slave cylinder cover is engraved and ball cutted, and stator cover is ball cutted and engraved. Yeah, so you can just barely see it in there. You know what, let me pause this. I'll lay down for you guys. Here you go. Y'all are working me. See, that's the bracket right there. That's ball cutted. The shifter is ball cutted. Kickstand ball cutted. Front wheel, we're at the front wheel now. I did the front wheel ball cutted. I also ball cutted my Brembos on both sides. We have turn signal integrated mirrors. We have our zero gravity double bubble. I like that. That works out real good. I also have another nose for this too. The what I'm going to do with the other nose is I'm going to put flames on it, because I might get a second set of fairings for this in the future. I want to have it flamed out. I'm going to have it all black with orange flames. So that's why I'm holding on to the other front nose I have. We'll take this fairing set off, and we'll get black fairings for the side and the tailpiece. And I'll have orange flames there brushed on everything. And this is my other motorcycle, guys. You think you guys saw a lot of this guy here. And this one here, we also ball cut it and engraved the entire engine. The case, did the rocker cover, and ball cutted the cylinders and the jugs. I even engraved the wait a minute, let me get a light here for you guys. Here we go. I even engraved and ball cutted the starter. Got our high performance coils on that guy there. Ball cutted our levers. Ball cutted our handlebar risers. These are the stock ones. These are the risers. A lot of guys claim that these are aluminum. The fasteners are aluminum. They claim they strip. So far, I haven't had problems with them. I mean, if they strip, all you got to do is just go to Lowe's or Home Depot and replace them. This is an aftermarket light. This light actually wires up to a Harley Sportster. The wiring code is the same for the Sportster and the Honda Rebel. This is a halogen. We engraved our front forks on both sides. That's in the back as well. Takes time to do that, guys. I also rebuilt the forks too. There's new seals in there. And I put 20 weight. I put 20 weight in the Rebel. We got our aftermarket battery case on. Got our crank breather on. Made it a hardtail. Got a LED light in the back. Now hopefully this Saturday we're going to get him inspected. Hopefully, weather permitting. Raining again. Today is Sunday, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all y'all mothers out there. Both kinds of mothers, actually. Okay, guys, I'll catch y'all later.